Today's featured car of the day is a 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle Laguna estate wagon. And I'll read from the seller's statement at the auction. And the seller stated 1973 Chevrolet Laguna wagon. Only year Laguna was offered as a wagon. 350 cubic inch V8, turbo 350 transmission, hooker headers, Flowmaster dual exhaust, 17-inch American racing wheels, new headliner and carpet, new 3M simulated wood grain wrap, plus loaded with factory options like air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and tilt wheel. And it showed 66,000 miles, but it was TMU, which is true mileage unknown. But it sold for $15,100 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a good-looking car. It was different. Pretty rare car. They only made it for the 1 year, as he said. And it looks pretty good. He added the 17-inch American racing wheels to it. It gave it a good look. Definitely a good looker, that's for sure. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1973 Chevrolet Laguna station wagon with showing 66,000 miles, but TMU, and it sold for $15,100 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. You could share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.